माओविया वसरे गाना सात से गाना साता तोनी हो सात शी गाना साता तोनी सातातोन साहेबाचो फेरू फेडोता फेरू दुर्गा भायर शिवारोता ओ फेरू दुर्गा भायर शिवारोता आमचो मुसोळू कोंड्याचो दांडो व्हंकलेक पायसण मोतयाचे हो व्हंकलेक पायसण मोतयाचे.
I am Tiago da Silva from Cavori, Chandor, Salcete. Now I come from, according to our ancestral list, I come from a Kshatriya class or Chandor they call, and we have this traditional dance of Mussol. On the third night, that is on Tuesday night, we have it here in our village on Tuesday night. Whereas people in Kota, Chandor Kota, they have on Monday night. I don't know for what reason these two separations came. Anyway, now as we believe that Mussol Khel, or I believe that according to us we are having a dance of victory dance of Harihara, King Harihara, and in that we carry a bear to indicate that a defeated king of maybe Vijayanagar, or at least we are not told what it is, but a bear is there, then a woman is there, a lady who carries a pot of water and a broom in her hand, and the men folk carry pestles who go on pounding every Kshatriya house, and after the pounding with the traditional song that is there, highlighting the victory of the king, and the lady, after the dance is over, the lady goes around, collects the earth that has been scooped up from the pit, and then closes it with put water and closes it. Okay. This is one version, the victory over the enemy. Now the enemy here could be the Muslims, but now I have heard that according to this, Harihara was ruling Vijayanagar kingdom. It was Vijayanagar kingdom, and Kadambas were in ruling Goa, but both of them were actually coming from Karnataka side. So Vijayanagar kingdom, Harihara's kingdom, came in Goa to sort of throw away Kadamba dynasty. They surrounded the entire Goa and they tried to defeat Kadambas, and Kadamba in the bargain lost all the spears, and they lost the spears. Then they told the wives and others that we are going to not surrender, but we will fight till our last drop of blood. And they told the wives to leave the villages and go, but we'll fight. And then after the spears got over, they took the bamboo pestles or any pestle they could find, wooden pestle, and they started fighting with instead of spears, they fought the Vijayanagar kingdom with pestles. And that is how they lost the kingdom. But if we say that Kadambas lost with Vijayanagar at that time, according to our history now, the Kadambas appears to have lost to the Muslims. And because Muslims, Adil Shah was ruling Goa until Portuguese came in 1510. Okay, so now the version is very difficult for us to understand. Now maybe it's a conflict of history or conflict of views from the people. But anyway, we are now going on with our tradition as victory over our enemy. And that is how we say, but that is maybe Kadamba's victory over Harihara or any other enemy. And we still carry on that tradition that is in our village.
आमचे मुसळ माळर धुन वयता गाजत खेळू खेळता सांत अंतोनियो खेळू खेळता सांत अंतोनी सातातून साहेबाचो खेळू खेळता फेरू दुर्गाबाई शिवारोता ओ